Hi, let's see how to make Moong Dhal Sago Payasam in Instant Pot today. Let's see the ingredients. Moong Dhal 1 cup, Sago half cup, jaggery 1 cup, cashew nuts 10 number, ghee 2 teaspoon, coconut piece 10, coconut milk 1 cup, green cardamom 5 crushed, dry ginger half teaspoon, water 2.5 cup. Now soak sago for 1 hour. Turn the instant pot to saute mode, and when it turns hot, we are ready to cook. Now add 1 teaspoon of ghee, add the cashew nuts and roast it till it turns brown. Now add the raisins and roast it till it gets golden brown. Now let's keep it aside. Next we are going to add the coconut pieces and we are going to roast it till it turns brown. Now it has changed to brown color. Now we are going to keep it aside. Next we are going to add the moong dal. We are going to roast the moong dal till it turns golden brown color. Now the moong dal has turned brown. Now we are going to add the soaked sago. Now add 2 cups of water. Let's give a little mix and close the instant pot lid and turn the valve to the sealing position. Now we are going to set the instant pot to high pressure for 5 minutes. In meanwhile, we can do the jaggery syrup. In a pan, put 1 cup of jaggery and half cup of water and boil it to dissolve all the jaggery, so we'll get the jaggery syrup. Now strain the jaggery syrup and keep it aside. Now it's done. Open the instant pot. You can see the moong dal and the sago has cooked well. Now to this we add the coconut milk, the jaggery syrup and the roasted cashew nut and raisins. Now add the dry ginger and the cardamom. Now give it a good mix. Turn on the instant pot to the saute mode and cook it for 1 minute. Add ghee. Then garnish it with roasted coconut pieces. And Delish, our payasam is ready. Serve it hot in a banana leaf. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please subscribe Delish Home Cooking. Bye.